departing from the ramp crossing runway 58, 1 Quebec. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Ready. Good, because we're leaving anyway. So here we are, we're right over the FAU campus. Look out the window there. See the stadium?
Oh, yeah.
Set up for a lacrosse game. That's what those old paint lines are. Yeah? There you can see the waterway snaking its way underneath the new overpass they just put on Dixie Highway. And then it goes back around towards the intercoastal proper. This is Lighthouse Point. There's a lot of water in here. You see all the little waterways cut in? Pretty much everybody's got their own swimming pool and toys right on the waterway. Here we're coming over the intercoastal proper. You got the Hillsborough Inlet. See where the water connects to the ocean? It's the Hillsborough Inlet, and you got the lighthouse right on the point. Painted black on top of white. Turn around here, when you look down, right where that water is, you see the white stuff on the water? That's the reef.
I see toys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You might feel it's kind of dark right now, but you should still be able to see the reef. There you go. You can see a little bit of red color into it. This is the Hillsborough Mile, or Millionaire Mile as they call it. This house under construction on the left here, I've been told, is Adam Sandler's house.
Yeah.
He's building a whole bunch of water slides and pool things, I believe. But here we're coming up on Deerfield Beach, as you might be able to recognize if you've been here before.
Oh yeah.
You got the sea breakers there, you got the fishing pier sticking out into the water. Building on the left, the white building with the green windows here, it has rooftop swimming pools on it.
Oh wow.
See the swimming pools on top of that building there?
Yeah.
Totally cool. But here we have the Boca Inlet, the mouth of the rat, as they call it. Leads right into Lake Boca Raton. That big pink tower. Pink building there, that's all the Boca Resort. This here's Meisner Park. You got the palm trees running down the middle, you got a little amphitheater at the end. You see the fountain down in the middle? Pretty nifty looking. See the airport right in front of us? Notice we're kind of coming in sideways to the runway. We can do that because we're cool, like a helicopter. Alright, here we are. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
You have
Did
fun?
you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? Yeah, huh?
Can I get a thumbs up? Thumbs up. High five. Yeah.